Hi, today I wanted to show you my new favorite thing from Block & Chisel, which has just arrived, which is this trolley. I love it so much because of the combinations of the wood with the glass and the metal, and the height is fantastic. I also love it for its versatility. I think it's one of those pieces you could probably use anywhere. I've used it as a side table in a rather awkward corner in my bedroom. I think it would work brilliantly and look beautiful as a drinks trolley. You can just imagine all the bottles and the glasses and the ice bucket on here. And I've also seen them used really well in bathrooms with towels and soaps and candles as a bit of an accent piece or something you pull up next to your bath. So this is my absolute new favorite because of its versatility and the elements of wood and the glass and the metal.